can start calculating A transpose into A and A transpose into B. Complete that and say, I'll give you 5 minutes time. After that, randomly I'll call somebody. 5 to 6 minutes I'll give you. Please do it.
Ma'am?
Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, Subiksha, ma'am, I got just connected for a while, ma'am. So what were you saying?
I
I
have
didn't get.
given you one question. Find all least square solutions. Can you see that 5.24?
Yes, ma'am.
You can start doing that. Maybe after 5 minutes, I'll ask you something. You can start doing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Let us try to solve this. Obviously, our since
Okay, Anupama is there. Anupama,
Yes, ma'am.
have you evaluated A transpose into A? That part is
Doing,
over.
ma'am.
Doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You yourself unmute and say after evaluating. What happened? A transpose into A is over. It won't take that much time, yeah? Okay, what about Aravind? CB Aravind.
Yes, ma'am. I calculated it, but at the end I realized I took -1 as +1. So I'm doing it again.
Make it fast.
The same what we have done for the trading. Okay. So MATLAB Jacobian in MATLAB.
Meghna madam. Meghna madam completed. I need A transpose into A. Make it fast. Everybody should complete this question. Then only huh?
So that lambda actually we did not.
Aravind, you have completed?
No, ma'am. I'm doing it. Just give me 2 minutes, ma'am. I'll finish.
Okay, do it. For multiplying two things, you are taking so much of time. Yes, if you have completed, say whoever has completed, please say what is A transpose into A?
Ma'am, 3
Nobody have,
minus
3
3.
minus 3, 3 minus 3.
wait, one of you say. First row,
3 minus 3 and
3
3.
minus 3, 3.
3 minus 3,
3,
huh?
ma'am.
3.
3,
Second,
3.
yes, Subiksha, say. Second row,
Minus 3, 9 and 3.
9, 3. Okay, third row,
3, 3, 9.
3, 3. Okay. So I need A transpose into B also.
6 minus 12, 0.
6 minus 12,
0.
0.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
find all the least square solutions of A transpose AX equal to A trans B, comma, we need to solve. Sorry, here I am writing wrongly. Something I have written wrongly. Where it went wrong?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I'm getting A transpose B 0, 0, 0, ma'am.
0, 0?
0, ma'am.
All 0.
Yes, ma'am. All zeros.
What about
Yes,
others?
ma'am.
What about others? Yeah, everybody is getting all values.
Ma'am,
Yes,
same
ma'am.
except
Even I
it's,
got all zeros.
minus
All 0. 1 minute. I'll do one.
6 minus 12, 0.
One 0 minus 1 minus 1.
Ma'am,
Zero,
yours is
two.
correct.
Which is correct?
A transpose B you have written.
That matrix is correct. You have to say A transpose B is 6 minus 12 0 is correct.
I got the same.
One. I'll also check once. 3 plus 3, 6 correct. Then 0 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. 6. 6 minus 12, 0 is correct. Who said 0, 0, 0? It is already correct only. So we need to solve this now. What about Ashwin? A transpose A is correct? Ashwina, who is this?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Shaker. Yes, Shaker. Is that correct? Okay, so we need to solve this, right? So
Sorry, ma'am, what?
3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 9 into x. X is, you can take it as x1, x2, x3 equal to A transpose B. So 6 minus 12, 0. This is the system you need to solve, right? So you can consider the augmented matrix, right? So you are also careless there, multiplying even two matrices. You are making so many mistakes, right? How come all values 0 here? So 3 minus 3, 3. Then 6. Second row is minus 3, 9, 3. Minus 3, 9, 3, minus 12. 3, 3, 9, 0. So this is the augmented matrix, right? One thing you can do, can you observe something? What we can do? Divide
Divide
the
all by 3, ma'am.
everything, all rows by 3.
You can take out 3.
So 1 minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, minus 4, 1, 1, 3, 0. Okay, wow, correct. Yes, it's right. Okay. Then what you have to do? I'm going to apply Gaussian elimination, right? So R2 goes to R2 plus R1. 0, 2, 2, minus 2. R3 goes to R3 minus R1. 0, 2, 2, minus 2. So very obvious. Second and third row are one and the same, right? Third row vanishes. So only two rows are linearly independent. So the reduced system of equations are
Ma'am, ma'am, what if we get linearly dependent row?
I just see your Gaussian elimination is still not over, right? If you look into this matrix, Gaussian elimination is not still over. That means I need to make this entry 0. So if you try to do R3 minus R2, the entire third row will vanish, right? It becomes 0.
Yes,
Here,
ma'am. Yes.
the reduced system of equations is use this x1 minus x2. This is coefficient of x1, x2, x3, and this is a constant term. So x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2, and the last row 2x2 plus 2x3 is minus 2. So if you want, you write it as x2 plus x3 as minus 2. So something you need to assume, right? Because it is one parameter family of solution. Why it is one parameter? Two equations, but three variables are there, right? So let me assume x3 equal to some t. So that implies your x2 is minus 2 minus t. and your x1 is x2 minus x3 plus 2. x2 is minus 2 minus t
So after
minus t
Volta,
plus 2.
Minus 2
Ah?
x2, ma'am. When we substitute x3 as t,
Ah.
2 would be minus 2 minus 2t now.
Ma'am,
Illa, I found out the mistake. 1 minute.
ma'am,
I
that
didn't
minus 2
divide
will be
here.
minus 1.
Yes, yes, yes.
we can vary between 0 and 1. So according to your variable, so x and z, if all will be 1, I think that is if all will be 0.
So x2 is minus 1 minus t.
If any other number you are writing, then accordingly or it may be just 1 1 1 is white, then 0 0 0 is black. You can try that. So with this the color of
So x2 plus x3 is minus 1. So x2 is minus 1 minus t.
okay, I'll provide you.
So this is minus 1 minus t plus 2. So it is 1 minus 2t. 1 minus 2t. Okay, va? Clear? Is this clear? Sure, okay. So the solution is
You are running how many
x1, x2, x3.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one?
1 minus 2t. 1 minus 2t minus 1 minus t such that t is a real value, right? This is the least square solution. Solutions are ahead. Yes, you are saying something not audible.
Ma'am, somebody's unmuted. I guess he's unaware.
I think he muted. Bharat? So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2t minus 1t t. So this is the set of all least square solutions, right? Okay. So if you want to find one particular solution, what you can do? Take some t is equal to 1. So one least square solution is again I could hear something. Hello?
Ma'am, Bharat is unmuted.
Bharat,
Ma'am,
can
you
you
can mute
please mute
everyone.
yourself? Okay, so one least square solution is minus 2, 1. Okay, so what is the orthogonal projection? I think my voice is echoing. Orthogonal projection is BC equal to A into this least square solution. So BC is, can you say what is the matrix A?
Ma'am, 102. One 02022 102 022 then -1, 1
Ma'am,
minus.
can you please show the previous one? The
minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minute here. Minus 1 1 minus 1 just 1 2 0. Just wait 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, please complete this. Find this value. Espa, have you found out this value? Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2.
So this different step, you have as many solutions are there, that many different will come.
Check whether this is correct.
Then as a function value, and then plot also. And this is in the
Is this
Ma'am?
correct?
One
Okay,
minus two, ma'am.
okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Some disturbance is there. I'm not able to hear your voice properly. I'll do one thing. I'll leave the meeting and come back again.
And this
Mute
Bharat Kumar
everybody.
is muted.
Ma'am, you have to
Muted.
mute all.
Yes, ma'am.
She muted. Okay, but is this correct? 1 0 minus 2 minus 1 after multiplying.
Ma'am, in the second row, it should be -2 instead of 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus
Minus two.
minus 2. Okay. And 0 minus 4 plus 2. Here it is minus 2. Okay.
And
So
last
that's
value
correct.
minus three, ma'am.
Huh?
Last value minus three.
Minus 3. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. Check.
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide, ma'am?
Actually, I want to give you one more question. One more question, but this is from module 5, but anyway. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Again, this Bharat. Bharat, better please you unmute yourself or you can quit the meeting.
ma'am, please click the mute all button.
Yes, ma'am. You can click the mute all
Then
near the
no,
attendees. No, ma'am. Down. Yes.
done, done, done.
as I have told you, if you put axis equals, then this
Okay, but next.
you can see one different circle.
Module 5, one more question.
Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, can you show the last BC matrix? I did not get how.
Check it.
Yes, ma'am, the orthogonal projection.
You didn't get it.
Please, yes, ma'am.
Yesterday we have seen, right? What is the orthogonal projection? Orthogonal projection of B. That is nothing but BC equal to A times X. 1 minute.
Only is equal to B2, right? Then only the
1 minute, yeah, I just crossed. Can you see here? Computation of BC. BC is nothing but A times X. A times X naught. We calculated yesterday. One question we did. Taking T equal to 1, we did this. Okay, pa. Next question. It is from module 5. Take down this question. Show that the direct sum of the two subspaces S1 equal to span of 101, 110 and S2 is equal to span of minus 1, 1 is R cube. We have to prove R cube is the direct sum of these two things, right? Okay. How do you prove that R cube is the direct sum of these two things? One idea is we can form 3 rows out of these 3 vectors. You can form a matrix and you can apply Gauss-Jordan elimination on that particular matrix. Finally, you are supposed to get the identity matrix. If your matrix is identity matrix, then all the 3 rows are linearly independent. If the matrix is identity, then all the 3 vectors have reduced to the identity matrix, right? That means standard basis you have got. So let A is equal to 101, 110 minus 1, 1. Okay. How do you proceed to find, reduce this into Gauss-Jordan elimination? What do you do first? First row you keep as such, right? This value and this value you have to make it 0. So R2 goes to R2 minus R1. So 0, 1 minus 1. R3 goes to R3 plus R1. 0, 1, 2. Next I have to make this entry 0. Okay, tell me, it's very easy. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 1. How to make this entry 0? R3 goes to R3 minus R2. Okay, va? Still something is left over. I can divide R3 by 3. Okay, still I didn't, my Gauss-Jordan elimination is not over, right? First non-zero element above below 0. Second row non-zero element is 1 above below 0. Third row non-zero element is 1, but above that minus and 1 has to be made 0. How do you do that?
R2 goes to R2 plus R3.
Okay, R2 goes to R2 plus R3. So 0, 1, 0. R1 goes to R1 minus R3, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Gauss-Jordan elimination is over. So, after Gauss-Jordan elimination, we got the identity matrix. The 3 rows are the standard basis vectors, right? I can write the reduced 3 rows are the standard basis vectors for R2 of R2. Hence, R cube is Direct sum of S1 and S2. Very simple, very simple question. Got it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, okay. So what should I do now? Shall I start the next module? Module 7?
Can you show the next slide once, ma'am?
No.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'll do, just I'll give an introduction to module 7. I'm not going to start today. I'll give an introduction. Module 7, right? Cryptography. So, you know what is cryptography?
Yes, ma'am.
What is cryptography?
Ma'am, is this the last module?
Yes, that will be the last module.
Okay.
That's what I told you. Maybe tomorrow is what? Thursday, right? Thursday, Friday, and next week maybe 2 to 3 classes I'll take. After that, complete revision starting from module 1. Okay? Sure, okay. Now tell me, cryptography. What is cryptography?
Ma'am, the method of deciphering, method of encrypting data.
Method of, so why you need to encrypt the data? What is necessary? Why you are encrypting?
For security purpose, ma'am.
For security purpose. What and all type of methods you have studied for encryption?
Symmetric, asymmetric.
Symmetric, asymmetric means what? Encryption.
Yes, ma'am. Symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption.
What do you mean?
Block cipher.
Block cipher. Okay. Then RSA algorithm.
Yes, ma'am. Diffie-Hellman key exchange.
Okay. So where and all we go for encryption? What is the which and all places you have seen encryption?
I mean, military communications.
Military communications we use. Okay. Encryption. I think there is a separate department for that. Right? Okay. Then
Ma'am, networking.
networking. Have you come across anything new way of encrypting the messages other than this? So in this way, mathematics and computer science are closely related. Maths is going to help what? Computer science, or maths and computer science are together doing something to encrypt the messages, right? Sure, okay. You can see something related to that and come tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I'll start this cryptography chapter, right? Okay, pa. I think I'm leaving you today earlier by 10 minutes. 1 minute, I'll take the attendance. Wait, I'll see the time. 53 only present. So better